Hello, this is your channel Sosa NASA One. I'm engineer Emmanuel, and now I'm going to show you how to use this digital multimeter to find out if a cable is broken or not. Let's do it. This is very easy. In this case, this in my hand is a little digital multimeter. This is a basic digital multimeter. And in this case, we are going to use this digital multimeter to know if this cable is working correctly or not. I mean, this is useful for know if the energy is moving from this part to this part or from this part to this part. Like we know, we receive the energy in all the world is through the cables. This means when we have a problem with the cable, for example, something break the cable, in this case, we need to do a little test using a digital multimeter. And now I'm going to show you how to do it. The first step is set up the digital multimeter. This is the most important step. Here, like we are watching, we need to connect the test probe in this way. The black in con and the red here in volts, ohms, milliamps. This is the correct position. Now, the next step is choose the mode. For choose the mode, move this selector. This is very easy. With my finger, move the selector and choose this mode. Ready. Now, turn on the digital multimeter and ready. Now our digital multimeter is ready. For now, if the energy is moving from one point to one point, it's very easy. For example, if I connect this to this point and to this point, we watch on the digital multimeter screen, we are watching 0, 0, 0. This means the energy from this point is moving through the cable to this point. And this cable is good, it's working correctly. But if you do this and you watch the digital multimeter screen, this number 1 in that position, this means we don't have continuity. In this case, this cable is broken, is not working correctly in this case. But if you do this and you watch in the digital multimeter screen 0, 0, 0, this means it's working correctly. Now we are going to do something very important. I'm going to connect this test probe, let me see, in this position. Now I'm going to touch with the other test probe this. In this way, correctly. And now I'm going to break the cable. And we are going to watch the digital multimeter. If I break the cable, now we have continuity, but watch the digital multimeter screen in this case. Let's do it. Now with this tool, I'm going to break this cable in this part. I just cut this cable. As we can see on the multimeter screen, there is not continuity because the cable is broken. And in this way, you can know if a cable is broken or not using this mode in the digital multimeter. This is your channel, Sosa NASA One in English. Share this video, give me a like, subscribe in our channel for learn more about this topic, and thank you for watching. See you next time.